infraready.co.uk for all your latest ghost hunting and paranormal investigation equipment. It feels like it's robust, and I am going to vlog it. So here we are at the Dieu Priory. We've come under here because it's a bit rainy, but I've got the static meter here on here, and it is just showing a positive field. Before, when we were at the Paranormal Research Centre Haunted Antiques in Hinckley, it keeps flicking back from like red, so negative to positive, negative to positive, and also on both of them. But this is only on positive field. You know, I'm going to try touching it, see nothing. Try to create anything to see a little bit of negative there, and it's still on negative because I just created something. Try to get some static from my jumper. So it's on negative field now. Put the sound on as well to see, so hopefully that'll probably go back to, I'm sure it'll go back to green, but we're just going to leave it here. Oops, bit of dust, whatever it is, a bit of stone, but I'm going to leave that here. Okay, and we'll see if anything is here for a start. Spirit wise, Aaron's over there, he's freezing, he's there. So yeah, if there's any spirit here of the Dieu Priory, if you could please step forward and come into this area. It's been a fire at some point, and probably is it the main fire of the main hall, but if there's any spirit, anyone that's passed over, that would like to step forward to communicate with us, there is a device here where you can see a red light. If you could step forward to that, step your energy close to that if you can, and give us a sign of your presence by possibly manipulating that box. Show us a sign of your presence. Is there anybody here at the Dieu Priory who has passed over who would like to communicate with us? Both lights now coming on, green and the red, the positive and the negative. So if there's any spirit here in and around Dieu Priory, in and around this area of Dieu Priory, could you step forward from your world into our world, from the spirit side of life to the physical side of life, and come towards this meter, touch it, manipulate it, and show us your presence by switching off one of the fields, one of the lights, red or the green. Could you switch one of them off? Something's flickering. Something's flickering away. Now can you switch off that red? Wow, okay. Straight away, red light's off. And could you switch that red light back on? Can you manipulate that? Come as close as you can. I mean, that could have been coincidence. Aaron's just left me. He literally left me. He's over there. But yeah, I'd love to stay here a little bit longer, but it is really, really cold, and my legs are really sore. My legs are really sore from just crouching down. Aaron's literally run away. He's gone. infraready.co.uk for the static meter. And as I said before, you can get cameras. There's Aaron coming back now. We have not lost him. We have not lost him. He is there. But yeah, infraready.co.uk for all your ghost hunting and paranormal investigation equipment. This static meter, we will use it again. We are going to be doing a full investigation of the haunted antiques in Hinckley next week, so we will use it then. I found them. There he is. He's
when you
back.
gotta go, you gotta go.
He's back. So, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for joining us. It's been a pleasure as always. So, guys, see you on the next video. All the best. Take care.
And behave yourself.